On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram try again later. So first thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds exactly, and then disable it. After that, go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps in your phone. Click on Instagram app right here and then go directly into the data usage option and make sure to enable all the options right here. Go back and after that click on the storage, click on clear cache and then click on clear data. After you click on clear data, this includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click delete and then go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.